wrestling fans, it is Wrestling Revolution King here. This match is for the NXG Junior Heavyweight Championship of the world. Introducing first, the NXG Junior Heavyweight Champion and CTW European Champion, Pure Filth, Crooks. And your challenger for the NXG Junior Heavyweight Championship, the #1 contender, the Canary King. And your match is on the way. Two very experienced wrestlers going at it. First time, the Canary Kid had his NXG Junior Heavyweight Championship opportunity. He lost to John McCann. Now, he's trying to correct that after he won John McCann to win the #1 contender spot. And now, he's got a chance again for the NXG Junior Heavyweight Championship against DD Crooks. Can he do it this time? DD Crooks just disrespecting the Canary Kid, just slapping him right across the face. DD Crooks went for a close line, ducked. Canary cutter! 1, 2, 3. Oh, DD Crooks just kicks out of 2. Just kicks out of 2. I thought that was it. And we had a new champion in the first 1 minute of the match. That would have been crazy. But this match looks like it's already over anyway, and we're crowning the new champion. Canary Kid looking for some sweet chin music. Oh, but DD gets out of it. Now DD with a headlock. And what a front flip by DD Crooks. Big drop kick. As DD Crooks seeing stars on the ropes now. What's the Canary Kid thinking of now? Canary Kid went for the Hurricane Rana. DD Crooks just about powering out of it. Went for a powerbomb. Canary Kid gets back on his feet. Big running clothesline into the corner. And a big punch. That's a Canary Kid thinking of now. Canary Kid going for one of his best moves. The bird. This is put away so many wrestlers. Will put away DD Crooks. Canary Kid has used all his best moves already in the match. Now he's going for his finisher, the Canary Cutter. But DD Crooks catching him there with a big boot and now a big chop. Axe whip in the corner. Oh, but DD Crooks stomping right on the Canary Kid's knee, just sliding under it. And a step up in Saguri. The athleticism of DD Crooks is amazing. Big backbreaker. Big uppercut right in midair, and DD Crooks just hits his target, who is the Canary Kid. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 by the Canary Kid. This is going to be a very hard match for DD Crooks and a very different match for him. Sage Valentine isn't here. And therefore, he's barred from ringside and he's not allowed to cheat. And Sage Valentine is not allowed to come out either. We thought the Canary Kid had him with that Canary Cutter, but somehow DD Crooks kicked out. Now DD Crooks trying to get his payback now, but oh, big stomp into the corner. Canary Kid jumping right over DD Crooks now. What's he thinking now? DD Crooks throwing him over the top rope. Big back elbow. Canary Kid, they're going for the bird for the second time now. Went for the monkey flip, didn't quite get the bird there. DD Crooks just stomped right up with that athleticism. Canary Kid went for the tornado DDT, but DD Crooks balances out of it, and a big suplex. 1, 2, kick out of 2 by the Canary Kid. What a great match this has been, and we're only 6 minutes in. Now DD Crooks going for his disastrous strikes. Big punch to the Canary Kid. These strikes are so dangerous and fierce of DD Crooks. What a backbreaker. 1, 2, and again the Canary Kid kicks out at 2. The heart of the Canary Kid is just incredible. DD Crooks normally just destroys his opponents, but Canary Kid is fighting back, and DD Crooks is not used to this. DD Crooks picking up the Canary Kid, and another backbreaker. Canary Kid's back. Might not have been injured before, but it's definitely injured now. The referee having to check on the Canary Kid. The pain DD Crooks is putting the Canary Kid through. He doesn't care the amount of pain people are in. All he cares about is winning, and going on top of the Canary Kid's back again. The Canary Kid is going to have to go on an ambulance after this match if he doesn't fight back. Now DD Crooks just stomping on the Canary Kid's back. This is just horrifying to watch. Again on the back of the Canary Kid. You can see on the expression of the Canary Kid's face, he is in so much pain. Now going for the Boston Crab. The Boston Crab is locked in. This would hurt someone who just has a normal back, but the Canary Kid back is already injured. He's going to have to tap. He has to tap. It doesn't matter how much fighting spirit you have to tap with the Boston Crab. It would hurt anyone anyway. But the Canary Kid somehow fighting back with a kick into the corner. But DD Crooks again with another backbreaker. 1, 2, kick out of 2 by the Canary Kid. Somehow a kick out at 2. Canary Kid trying to get up, and DD Crooks trying to fight what is left of the Canary Kid. Don't know if there is much left, but the Canary Kid somehow fighting back and throwing DD Crooks over the top rope. Now the Canary Kid went for a kick there. DD Crooks, using the rope to his advantage. And a big back suplex on to the hard part of the ring, onto the wood part of the ring, onto the Canary Kid's back, onto the wood part of the ring. That would hurt your back so much. Never mind having an injured back. DD Crooks going up to the top rope. This cannot be safe. DD Crooks does not care. Grass. DD Crooks celebrating, knowing that the Canary Kid does not have anything left in him. What a kick onto the Canary Kid. Now DD Crooks throwing in what is left of the bird. Canary Kid became #1 contender, he said that to me earlier that he knew he was going to become the NXG Junior Heavyweight Champion, but it's looking so unlikely. DD Crooks went for a German suplex, didn't quite get it. Canary Kid elbows him, went for a Canary Cutter, but DD Crooks, with him being such a ring veteran, just a big uppercut onto the back. DD Crooks is so experienced, he knows everything about this sport. But a Hurricane Runner, 1, 2, kick out of 2 by DD Crooks. DD Crooks looked like he was going for the powerbomb there, but the Canary Kid just done a Hurricane Runner. That should be it. Oh no! What a punch! Never go blow for blow. This is turning into such a slugfest. What a chop! But the Canary Kid fighting back with another chop. These two hit each other till the boom. Now just punching the head of each other. Who will come on top? DD Crooks went for a punch, couldn't quite get it. Canary Kid is blocking everything. DD Crooks was throwing on him. Canary Kid went for a super kick, couldn't quite get it there. A pile driver by DD Crooks. This is it. This has got to be it. 1, 2. High did the Canary Kid kick out. High did he kick out. That is just not normal. Just not normal. That is not something that the human body is supposed to do. Canary Kid still trying his best to fight back. Trying to fight through the injured back. Now the Canary Kid trying to get up now. DD Crooks. Oh, what an uppercut by DD Crooks. This is one of DD Crooks' speciality moves. Another big uppercut. Irish whip into the corner. Trying to go for a third uppercut there. Clothesline. Another one of DD Crooks' best moves. Using the ropes to his advantage, putting his head on the ropes, and how could he do a clothesline from that angle? Both wrestlers are knocked down. That's with no champion's advantage. If DD Crooks can't get up for the 10 count, DD Crooks still retains the championship. Sorry, again, looking like he's going to be the first one to get up. Keep up by DD Crooks. Oh, big. That is a second wind and a big stomp under his back. Big kick. Big double leg stomp. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 by the Canary Kid. Oh, but in comes Sage Valentine. Sage Valentine's not allowed to be here. He's got the belt. Sage Valentine has been barred from ringside. Referee's knocked down. Referee can't see it. Referee Cotton Blunt is knocked down. Now, oh, he missed and hit Sage Valentine with the belt. It looked like with pure Filth's dirty tactics they were going to win again, but the Canary Kid ducked. Now, clothesline by the Canary Kid. Another clothesline by the Canary Kid. Twist of fate. The Canary Kid is coming back now. Now he's getting his payback. Working on the back. Super kick. But DD Crooks 6-1-9. Now DD Crooks go up again. Double legged stomp from the top rope. Oh, working on the back again. That's it. That is it. 1, 2. Kick out at 2 by the Canary Kid. Kick out at 2. There's no way he kicked out at 2. This match is just unreal. What an awesome match we are witnessing. Crooks knows it's his moment. He knows it's his moment to shine and do what he needs to do now. If you were Crooks, how would you be thinking? What would you be thinking as well? How could I be putting down the Canary Kid? He's been through so much. It seems like Canary Kid is just able to fight through everything. Canary Kid does not want to lose this match. After speaking to Murder, he knows that he'll fight through everything he has. He's wrestling in front of his family. Crooks looking for a pile driver from the top rope. Canary Kid just about got out of it. Big super kick on the Crooks. Didn't quite land it, but a big knee has Crooks seeing stars by the Canary Kid. Trying to go up to the top rope now. What is he thinking? Both two wrestlers have been through an absolute war together. Canary cutter from the top rope. 1, 2, 3. The Canary Kid has dethroned Crooks and become the new NXG Junior Heavyweight Champion of the world. This is well deserved. He's been deserving this from the very start, but he couldn't quite get it. It's John McCann. His whole family are going wild. Even Gran Canaria is going wild. It feels so good to say this, that the Canary Kid is the new NXG Junior Heavyweight Champion of the world. He's took so long to get to the top of the mountain. Every time he got to the top, he got pushed back down. But he's finally reached the top of the mountain. It's going to be very hard to dethrone the Canary Kid. Today is his night, then he said. It's not Crooks' night and it's not John McCann's night. He said it's his night and he proved himself right. He proved all the haters wrong. What a barn burner this was. Crooks done so well. But in the end, the Canary Kid, the king of the bird flock, takes the win and takes Crooks' most prized possession, the NXG Junior Heavyweight Championship. I think Crooks is so filthy, he has to give it to the Canary Kid. Hugging the Canary Kid. The Canary Kid definitely deserves this. He's definitely going to be the best NXT Junior Heavyweight Champion of all time. What a great moment this was. Thank you, Canary Kid. If you'd like to see the Canary Kid's first title defense come to NIPW's next show, you can get your tickets at www.nipw.sumupstore.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And hopefully, I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. And a shout out to the Canary Kid on becoming the new NXG Junior Heavyweight Champion of the World.